In the name of Almighty Allah, so today we will discuss lecture number 26, and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So first of all, dream. The meaning of dream is to think of someone or something in a particular way. Next one, farce. An event or situation that is absurd or disorganized, chaotic. Next one, rival. So to compete, to be in a competition with someone. Next one, brawl. To fight noisily in usually a public place. Besiege. Surrounded a place with armed forces in order to capture it or force it. Citadels. The meaning of citadel is bastion, fort, stronghold, castle. Next one, jilted. The meaning of jilted, to end a romantic relationship with someone in a sudden and painful way. Suitors. So the meaning of suitors, a man who wants to marry a particular woman. Advocacy, the act or process of supporting a case or proposal. Next one, protracted. So the meaning of protracted is to elongate, lengthen, outstretch, prolong, extend. Ironically, so its meaning is surprising, insipid, flavorless. So insipid mostly used for food which having no flavor. Next one, I have collected these vocabulary from Rising Doubts, and this opinion was published in Dawn newspaper. So the first one is uh, Ignotology. So the meaning of ignotology is branch of science which looks at the way in which doubt or ignorance about certain subject is created. Next one, sinister. So its meaning is threatening, menacing, alarming, evil, duped. So deceive, track, defraud, mislead. Next one, stall. So maggoty, moldy, spoiled, tainted, unoriginal, rancid, rotten. Next one, excoriate. So expressing strong disapproval of, condemn, decry. Next one, sarcasm. So the use of words that mean the opposite of what you want to say, especially in order to insult someone, to show irritation. Next one, insular. So the meaning of insular is narrow-minded. Next one, insurrectionist, rebel, rebellious, or rebellion. Next one, intemperate, so not moderate. Next one, intonation. So the meaning of intonation is voice of tone. And the last one is invocation. So the meaning of invocation is prayer. So at the end, I will suggest a famous book, selected essay by Yuval Noah Harari, and I have read this book. So I found it very marvelous, interesting, and quite knowledgeful. So I suggest all the CSS students that read this book to improve English vocabulary and writing skill, along with to amplify expression. So thank you and best of luck, and stay tuned to Dawn with Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Thank you.